All right, move in. Let's go.
What is happening over there?
I don't know, it looks bad.
Should we get closer?
Easy now. Settle down.
I got you.
Hold still. Do not move. We're almost through the gap.
Hold still. I repeat, hold still. Get back!
Back off! Stay down! We almost got you.
Keep your distance. Watch its movements. Steady now. Don't provoke it. All right, heave. Keep the tension high.
It's moving now. We're almost there.
Steady. Watch the head. We did it. Secure the head. Watch the coils.
Moving in close.
Snare is ready. Steady now.
It's all right, easy now. You're breathing just fine. Hang in there.
All right, dig in. Pull on my count. 1, 2, 3. Heave. It's heavy, but we've got it. Steady pressure, maintain control. That's it. Keep the pressure on. Don't let him wrap around that log. He's incredibly heavy. Easy now, easy. We're just gonna loosen this up. Hold steady there. Easy now. We're looking at close to 8 meters. Just a little further. Push harder now, keep it moving.
Got it, almost there.
Steady, watch the tail.
Dispatch, this is Rescue 1. We have located the target. Condition stable but critical. Preparing for extraction. Advise staging area is clear.
Check the casualty blanket, make sure it's secure. Ben, grab the basket straps. We're on the clock.
Easy now. You're almost there. Just like that.